Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Jade hardware wallet. First, unbox your new Jade device and connect it to a power source. Next, download the Blockstream Green application on your smartphone or computer. Once installed, open the app and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to securely pair your Jade device. You can then choose to create a brand new wallet, generating a unique 24-word recovery phrase, or restore an existing one. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital assets. Sending and receiving Bitcoin with your Jade wallet is straightforward and secure. To receive funds, simply open the Blockstream Green app and generate a new receiving address. Share this unique address with the person sending you Bitcoin. When sending, select the Send option, input the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Crucially, always verify all transaction details, including the address and amount, directly on your Jade device's screen before confirming. This two-step verification ensures your funds go to the correct destination. Jade offers several advanced features to bolster your security. Consider using multi-signature capabilities, which require multiple independent approvals for transactions, adding a robust layer of protection. You can also enable a passphrase, creating a hidden wallet that requires an additional word or phrase. For enhanced privacy and self-sovereignty, connect your Jade to your own Bitcoin full node. Remember to always back up your 24-word recovery phrase and store it in a secure, offline environment, like a fireproof safe. Maintaining your Jade wallet properly ensures long-term security. Always double-check all transaction details on your Jade's physical screen before confirming any send. Regularly update your Jade's firmware to the latest version to benefit from security enhancements and new features. Store your Jade device in a safe, private location, protecting it from physical damage or unauthorized access. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. It is the master key to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.